Welcome to this custom-tailored deep dive.
Glad to be here. We've got a lot to cover today.
We really do. Our mission today is to unpack the massive March 2026 Global AI Intelligence Briefing.
Yeah, we're cutting through the noise to understand how AI is making this historic leap.
Right. Going from just a passive chatbot you type questions into to a fully autonomous agent that actually does the work for you. Okay, let's unpack this. We are officially entering the agent era.
It's everywhere now.
Yeah. Look at GPT 5.4 and its new native computer control. It uses visual logic to independently move a mouse. It can navigate legacy software on a desktop exactly like a human would.
That fundamentally changes your daily life. Think about it. The future bottleneck in your work won't be executing those software tasks.
Because the AI just handles that part.
Exactly. Your main challenge will be creatively articulating your strategic goals. We're already seeing this shift with Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.6.
Oh, right, the vibe coding.
Yes. Right now, 60% of senior developers actually prefer its vibe coding capabilities.
That's wild.
It is. Instead of painstakingly writing syntax line by line, the developer acts more like a manager giving directions. Meanwhile, Claude finds these deep logic bugs through pure pattern recognition.
Wow. So the AI does the heavy lifting and you are basically the creative director. But, that level of intelligence requires serious capital.
Oh, absolutely.
The financial scale here is staggering. OpenAI just closed a historic $110 billion funding round. That values them at $840 billion.
And that capital isn't just trapped in software anymore.
Right, it's pouring into the physical world. Boston Dynamics' Electric Atlas robot is officially going into full production.
Yeah, that blew my mind.
I know. It relies on a Gemini brain to power its cognition, and it can autonomously navigate to a station and swap its own batteries.
So it just works around the clock. No human intervention needed.
Exactly.
What's fascinating here is the massive hardware bottleneck hiding behind all this capability. All these digital agents and physical robots require immense data centers. And those centers are hitting a wall, right? Yes, the bandwidth wall. Trying to push all that data through traditional copper wiring generates way too much heat. It just uses too much energy.
Which is why IR Labs just secured that $500 million round.
Right, to build silicon photonic interconnects, meaning instead of electrical signals fighting through copper, they are literally using lasers to beam data across the chips at the speed of light.
Lasers.
Yeah. And fierce rivals, NVIDIA and AMD, actually co-led this round together.
Because they literally have to replace copper with light to survive this scaling phase.
Exactly.
So we are essentially building nervous systems out of lasers to handle the data load. But all that processing power leads to a really counterintuitive finding from Tsinghua University.
Ah, right. Scientific involution.
Yeah.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, the data shows that while AI makes individual scientists over 3 times more productive, they are overwhelmingly flocking to safe, data-rich fields.
To guarantee those results.
Right. So we are running faster than ever, but ironically, we are shrinking the collective map of human exploration. We're just getting better at analyzing what we already know.
Rather than exploring what we don't. That shrinking map is a perfect segue into how global powers are diverging on how to handle this agent era. And, just to be absolutely clear with you, looking at the briefing, we are simply laying out these different blueprints as they exist in the source text.
Right. We aren't picking favorites or endorsing a specific side here.
Not at all. We are just giving you the impartial facts of how different leaders are playing the board. So, on one hand, the United Nations has launched an independent scientific panel
To establish global safety and labor standards.
Yes, leaning into heavy, unified regulation.
Right. And then the U.S. White House released a cybersecurity strategy that takes a completely different path. Their approach focuses heavily on deregulation.
For national defense, specifically.
Exactly. They are rapidly adopting agentic AI, meaning they want AI that doesn't just analyze threats, but autonomously neutralizes them. They're relying on maintaining technological dominance as their primary safety mechanism.
So what does this all mean? It means that as AI completely automates execution, whether that's clicking a mouse, writing software, or swapping robot batteries, your uniquely human ability to explore the unknown becomes your absolute greatest asset.
And this raises an important question to leave you with. The briefing noted a breakthrough where AI agents in simulations are spontaneously developing biological-style mirror neurons.
To internally map out social behavior.
Right. If AI is naturally internalizing human interaction patterns, could the future of human-machine collaboration rely less on your ability to code and entirely more on your capacity for empathy?
Definitely something to mull over as you navigate this new landscape. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive, and we'll catch you on the next one.